Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to download Facebook profile data. Step number 1, click on your profile picture in the top right hand corner of the page. Step number 2, select settings and privacy. Step number 3, click settings again. It's the first thing in the list. Step number 4, as far as we can tell, there are two slightly different pages Facebook will take you to next. If your screen looks like this, the one below, you're going to select download your information. If download information isn't right there, you have version 2. Look at the left-hand column called settings and privacy and scroll down inside the column until you see the subhead your information. You'll see download your information under that, then click that. Once you click download your information, you'll see this window and select request download. If you have more than one Facebook account or profile, select which account you would like to request data for and click next. Select what information you would like to download. You can choose certain types of data, like just your photos and messages, or a complete copy. We recommend downloading a complete copy so you can get the full view of how much information that app collects. Select the file options and verify the email Facebook has on file is correct. Then select what format you want to get your data in. Your options are JSON or HTML. In our experience, either is pretty user-friendly and readable for most devices. Select the media quality and the data range. Hit save, then click the blue submit request icon. You should receive the email within 10 to 30 minutes with a file of your personal data to download. You only have 4 days to download it from that email. This file will have lots of information about you, so put it somewhere safe. That's it. Thanks for watching.